Hello, this is Ralph with ralphshomebasedbusiness.com, and in this PowerPoint presentation I'm going to be doing an extended version of a video I shot in a heck of a hurry earlier, talking about 3 entry points to the Power Lead system. This is an area that I know I was confused about it when I was first hearing about Power Lead system, and then folks would shift and start talking about Lead Lightning and the free lead system, and I didn't realize that they were all 3 part of the same system, and actually they're different entry points that you can use to gain entrance into the Power Lead system. And I mean, they've got their advantages, they've got their disadvantages, but if you're wanting to check out the Power Lead system, here are 3 ways that you can get in. The first is free, the second is dirt cheap, and then the third is the normal, usual entry point that a lot of people use. So let's get into it. The first level, entry level into the Power Lead system is a little tool called the Free Lead System, or sometimes it's also referred to as the Free Lead Forever system. And what the Free Lead system is, it is a handy little list building tool that people can just give away as a freebie to anybody who's wanting to build up their home-based business. This free tool targets opportunity seekers and people who are very much interested in the make money at home, work from home marketplace. And how this works is that you get your free lead system absolutely free from somebody who's giving it away. Excuse me. And then you just start promoting your link. And what happens is that when people bite on your link, when they join the free lead system under you, that person then becomes your lead. And you get their email address, you get their name, and you can then open a dialogue with them and start sending them your offers if you are in, the home-based business niche or opportunity niche, BizOp niche. All those work really well with the free lead system. Or if you have like a ClickBank offer that somebody in this niche might be interested in, and you can find ClickBank offers that deal with, make money at home and opportunities. So, conceivably you could be using your mailing list for that. Or you could just be using your mailing list to build up and promote your own home-based business. Now, the plus side to the free lead system is, first of all, it is free. Second of all, it will help you to build your first list or second list. It's a good way to start getting people into your sphere of influence. And I'm going to get more into that later, but in kind of a viral way. Uh, and it's just a good way to start building up your contact list. So if you're starting from scratch, or if you've been in business for a while, the free lead system is something that can help you kickstart your marketing campaign. The free lead system has a section where you can plug in your primary business if you have one, and then the free lead system will then automatically begin promoting both itself and your primary business through its done-for-you autoresponder email campaign. Now, so those are the pluses. This is a great free tool that you can use to build up your list and be gaining targeted leads. Now, the downside of this is that there is a pass-up system. And this can actually be seen as a downside. It can also be seen as an opportunity. But let's look at the downside first. The downside to this is that when you're using it as a free member, every other lead you pass up to your sponsor. So like if you join using my link here, I become your sponsor, and you get a lead, you keep your first lead, you get another lead, you pass that lead up to me, you get another lead, you keep that one, your next lead you pass up to your sponsor, and so on and so forth. You keep half of the leads that you generate. So people entering in as a totally free member may hear that and they may be thinking, boy, that sucks. Good for my sponsor, not so good for me. But where this becomes an opportunity is that when people join using your link and you keep them as a lead, you become their sponsor. And so that same pass-up system then applies from them to you. They keep their first lead. They pass up their second lead to you. They keep their third lead. They pass up their fourth lead to you, and so on and so forth. So if you are using the free lead system and using it consistently, and you're bringing new people into this sales funnel system, and you'll begin generating leads both on your own, and you'll be getting leads from the people under you, the leads that they pass up to you. So if you use this system consistently, and by that I mean, put some time into it each and every day. I promote mine using free traffic sources. I do YouTube videos. I use SafeList mailers. I put it on traffic exchanges. So I'm driving traffic to my link each and every day. If you do that consistently, then over time, this can build up into a viral system. So, I mean, that's kind of a good plus to this whole system. The downside is, okay, you only keep every other lead as a free member, but if you're actively promoting this, then you are going to be getting a lot of leads from the people under you. Plus, at the same time, if you have a primary business, a home-based business that you're wanting to promote, you can use the free lead system to automatically promote that to your people. And I mean, that's a great tool to have. So, plus side, free lead system, absolutely free. Downside is you pass up leads to your sponsor. But another upside is that once you become a sponsor, the people under you are going to be passing up leads to you. So, pretty neat system. Not too much of a downside to that from where I sit. Now, if people want to be able to earn to earn commissions as well as leads. Now, that's another downside to the free lead system. You can't earn commissions using the free lead system if you are only at the free lead system level. However, there is a way that you can upgrade for a one-time fee of only $7, not $7 a month, but just a one-time fee of $7, period. Then you can find your way into the second level of this system, where you keep every lead that you generate and you earn $6 commissions every time somebody else upgrades from the free lead system to the $7 level. And then what level is that? That is the Lead Lightning level. And with the Lead Lightning level, like the free lead system, you can use this to gain leads. You can also use this to promote your primary business. Plus, you keep every lead that you generate. You can use your free lead system sales funnel connected to your Lead Lightning account to bring in more people, keep the leads that you every lead that you get, and then when the people join and they decide to upgrade to the Lead Lightning level and they pay their $7 to upgrade, you earn a $6 commission every time that happens. So the great part about Lead Lightning is that you can spend a one-time fee of only $7, the same $7 you would spend to buy maybe 2 bags of potato chips and a bottle of Coke. For that one-time fee of only $7, you set yourself up to earn unlimited $6 commissions. So imagine that. You make 2 Lead Lightning sales, you're already in profit. You've already made your money back. I mean, it's a pretty neat deal. And just like the free lead system, you can, if you promote this consistently, and I don't mean by, just promote it once in a while and then give up when you're not getting the results you think you should be getting. No, what I mean is promoting this consistently each and every day. This will become a viral system similar to the free lead system. Only you're keeping every lead that you generate, and you are also making $6 commissions every time one of your leads upgrades to the Lead Lightning level. And you can also use this to promote your primary, just like the free lead system. So, I mean, that is a pretty neat deal. And the higher you are up in the Power Lead system, and the more that you use the free lead system through whatever level of membership you are in the Power Lead system, this system is actually designed to be promoting itself. It's got automatic emails that go out. It's got automatic prompts to upgrade that people see. And if you're promoting this thing consistently, then if you're doing it as a Lead Lightning member, promoting your connected free lead system link, not only should you be getting, free leads and keeping every lead, you should also be getting people upgrading to Lead Lightning. And if you're a gold member, you will also be getting people upgrading to gold and passing you commissions that way. But we're not quite there yet. But yeah, with the Lead Lightning system, you are set up to earn $6 commissions on every $7 sale, be promoting your primary business, and be gaining leads. So, pretty neat stuff. Now, what about the next level of the Power Lead system? That is the Power Lead system gold level membership itself. Now, whereas the free lead system was a radically scaled back version of the Power Lead system and could only be used to generate leads, and whereas the Lead Lightning system was a slightly upgraded version of the free lead system that allowed you to get leads and keep every lead that you generate, plus earn $6 commissions, the Power Lead system is, it's got most of the bells and whistles that people think of when they think Power Lead system. With the Power Lead system, you get all the training that is there at the gold level membership point. And that includes the Wednesday night overviews and trainings with Franco. That also includes a Endless Free Leads training written by Max Steingart. You get that training absolutely free at the gold level of membership. And in that training, Max teaches you how to use Facebook. And right now, he's really hitting LinkedIn. How to use Facebook and LinkedIn and practically any other social media source that's out there, but how to use particularly Facebook and LinkedIn to be generating leads consistently on a daily basis and be getting those leads absolutely free. He details what he calls the Max method, which is reaching out to people in an open, non-salesy way, a manner in which you just learn more about your prospect and ask them questions. And when they answer those questions, they are giving you information that you can then use to determine whether or not this person might be a good prospect for your company or your offer. And he walks you through it. He gives you scripts. He gives you the questions that he asks, and he teaches you how to go through this process. And actually, it's a fairly common sense approach to marketing. Problem is, most people in marketing just don't use a common sense approach. Max does, and he teaches you how to use this simple common sense approach to start talking to people, start warming up to people, start getting people to warm up to you, and start getting targeted leads to your business or opportunity on a daily basis. So, I mean, that training in and of itself is worth the price of membership. Uh, but that's not all you get. You also get your own autoresponder. And this autoresponder is loaded with done-for-you email campaigns. Email campaigns that are set up to sell the Power Lead system and the Lead Lightning system. And what you can do is you can go in there if you're not 100% happy with the done-for-you email campaigns. You can go in there and at the gold level membership, the Lead Lightning level membership, you can go in there and you can rewrite those autoresponder campaigns. Now, the autoresponder campaign for the free lead system, that is locked. So you can't get in there and alter that. But you can go in there and you can edit the Lead Lightning campaigns. You can edit the Power Lead system email campaigns, and you can just make those campaigns your own. You can also customize those email campaigns or write brand new email campaigns yourself to sell anything under the sun. And with the Power Lead system, they give you sales funnels, they give you web pages, lead capture pages, presentation pages, bridge pages, and they teach you how you can customize all those pages to, again, sell any product or opportunity under the sun. Or you can use them as is to sell Power Lead system, Lead Lightning, and the free lead system. And when you join at the gold level membership, you also get community support through their Facebook group. Of course, you get that with the Lead Lightning level too. Plus, you get access to the Power Lead System gold level compensation plan. And that is a beautiful, beautiful plan where when somebody joins as a Power Lead System gold level affiliate, or they join just as a Power Lead System customer, meaning they can use the system to promote their own opportunities, but they're not Power Lead System affiliates. Anytime that happens, you can be earning a commission of $20. It's not $6, it's $20. So that's pretty neat. Plus, the real sweet part about this compensation plan is that when you bring in somebody at the gold level, affiliate level, and they start promoting their Power Lead system and they start earning those gold level commissions, then they get their commissions plus every month you get paid a 50% matching bonus based on the commission earnings of your affiliates, the people that you bring into the program, your direct affiliates. So let's say, you bring in a guy named John, and John joins at the gold level affiliate, membership level. He makes $100 sales 1 month. Your 50% matching bonus would be $50. And I mean, if he only makes a $20 sale, then you get a matching bonus of $10. If he makes $1,000 in sales 1 month, then your 50% matching bonus for that month would be $500. So these are just examples of results in this or anything else in life are not typical. Your results will vary depending on your skill level, depending on your work ethic, and other factors. So when I throw out examples like that, there is no guarantee of income when it comes to Power Lead system or the Lead Lightning system, but you are set up to earn commissions. Lead Lightning, $6 commissions. Power Lead system, you get their compensation plan, which includes a pass-up structure that can grow pretty neat. I mean, this stuff can go viral, but again, you have to be promoting it. You can't just buy it, do nothing with it, and then expect to be making magic internet money. It doesn't work that way. This is online marketing. This is network marketing. This is based on you being able to make sales, which actually is a pretty neat benefit if you're a newbie to joining at the free lead system level, because there you don't have to be paying monthly fees, monthly membership fees. It's completely free. You can actually test out your marketing strategy and see if you can successfully market a free link, a free system to be generating leads. And so you don't have to be paying a monthly fee to find that out. If you want to get started slowly, incrementally, learn as you go, and if you are an absolute newbie, I would suggest going that route. Then yeah, you can learn for absolutely free. And then once you get your confidence level built up, you can join at the $7 Lead Lightning level. And there again, it's just a one-time fee of $7, no monthly membership fee to be at the Lead Lightning level. And once you start earning, those $6 commissions, and you start earning them on a consistent basis through consistently marketing your links, then you can get your confidence level built up to join at the gold level membership, affiliate membership level of the Power Lead system. And there it is a monthly membership fee of $53.97 per month to be able to use this system and all the bells and whistles associated with it, plus have access to the Power Lead system compensation plan. And with that compensation plan, there are no pass-ups. Every time you make a sale, you get that commission, and you do get the benefit of the 50% matching bonus, which applies to all the people that you bring in as affiliate members of the Power Lead system. And I mean, that can mushroom into something pretty good, depending on how well you market the system. But again, if you're a newbie, if you're not sure about this, but you'd like to stick your toes in the water, learn as you go, find out for yourself how good this is, then you can join at the free lead system level of membership. You can join at the Lead Lightning level of membership, or you can go all the way and just go for gold. So, but if you're a newbie, I suggest going through the 3 steps outlined: free, Lead Lightning, and then work your way up to gold. So I think we already pretty much covered this, how to get started. Okay, well, you can actually start out at any level you want. If you're adventurous, you can jump in at the gold level membership, and you can test it out for a 7-day free trial period. There is a 7-day free trial associated with joining at the gold level membership. That gives you all the tools, all the training. You can work with the sales funnels absolutely free. You can work with the autoresponder campaign. They give you a free domain that's kind of clunky, but you can use it, or you can go ahead and pay, what is it, I think $17 to buy your own domain. But other than that, it is free, and you can use it for 7 days absolutely free, and just see what you think. You can also, if you want to, join at the diamond level or higher. Now, I haven't gotten into that, but yeah, there is the gold level of membership. You can get started there for $53.97 a month. If you think that the Power Lead system is something you want to get in at and go all the way in on, then they've also got diamond level, platinum level, Master Traffic Institute level. And I think if you really want to jump in with both feet, you can do that. If you are more timid, you want to learn as you go, maybe you don't have like $2,000 to invest in starting up your own home-based business, and you want to try this system out from, the absolute free level and then work your way up, then you can get started at the free lead system level, and there you get your free link. You get a done-for-you free lead system sales funnel, a locked-in autoresponder campaign that will be promoting the free lead system and your primary business. And I mean, you can be using this to learn how the system operates. And then once you get comfortable at the free level, upgrade to Lead Lightning. Once you get comfortable at that level, upgrade to gold. Once you get your feet wet at that level, upgrade to diamond, then upgrade to, just take those stair steps right on up. So yeah, you can stair step your way in, starting at the bottom, working your way up as slowly or as quickly as you desire. Or you can just jump in with both feet, whip out your credit card, and buy in at the top level. I mean, it's just up to you. But what I love about this system, and what it's taken me some time to figure out about this system, is that once you join, like at the gold level membership or the diamond level membership or any of the other upper level memberships, your other funnels are tied to that membership level. So in my case, I am a diamond level member of the Lead Lightning program, the Power Lead system. So that means when I promote my free lead system link, which is tied to my Power Lead system diamond level membership package, when I promote my free lead system link as a diamond member, I get people who will join me at the free level, and they become my leads. Then I also get people who join me at the Lead Lightning level who upgrade or just join right off the bat at the Lead Lightning level. and there I earn $6 commissions for every $7 sale, and I keep them as future leads. And when they decide to upgrade to the gold level membership, or just become a Power Lead System customer and use the system as a customer to promote their own businesses and opportunities, then I earn a $20 commission when that happens. And the sweet part of this is that when I get somebody who comes in through the system, they go from free to Lead Lightning to Gold, and then they finally decide to upgrade to the Diamond level membership. I get paid a $100 commission when that happens, all potentially from just promoting a free link, the free lead system deal. This system is designed to be promoting itself, encouraging people to upgrade, plus it will promote your primary business. And if you just let this system do its job, do its work, you can be getting not only free leads, but Lead Lightning commissions if you're at that level, Lead Lightning and Gold level commissions if you're at the Gold membership level, and if the same system applies, the same process applies to all the other upper membership levels too. You can be using your free lead system to market practically, well, to be gaining commissions from all the other levels that you are also a member of. And I'll be explaining that in more detail in a future video. But yeah, this system is set up to market itself. All you have to do is be getting your link out in front of people. And once you learn how to do that properly, this thing can really, really take off. But consistency in getting eyeballs in front of your offer is the key. Now you can do that any number of ways. You can use the Max Steingart training when you join at the Gold level membership, and he will teach you how to get those leads off of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other social media site that's out there. You can use free traffic sources like SafeList mailers and traffic exchanges. I've been generating a number of leads and sales using that method. You can also, if you don't want to spend your time working SafeList mailers and traffic exchanges and surfing for credits, then you can go the paid traffic route and be paying solo ad vendors to be promoting your link for you. They have recommended solo ad vendors within the Power Lead system, or you can check out any of your favorite solo ad vendors anywhere online. So, I mean, the possibilities are wide open. You can promote this using social media, and at the Gold level membership, they teach you how to do that. You can be using the system for free, promoting it on free traffic networks like traffic exchanges and SafeList mailers, or you can go all in and just be, using paid traffic all the way. A lot of people do that, and they're getting results. So, and then again, your results will not be typical. They do depend on how well you market and how consistently you work this system. If you have a strong work ethic, if you're able to learn as you go, and you're open to learning, and you work this program consistently, then things can happen for you. But there are no guarantees. Results are not typical. So that's how to get started at practically any level. Now, again, thanks for dropping by. If you like this content, I will be adding more to this YouTube channel. You can also visit me online at www.ralphshomebasebusiness.com. That's where I have all my links. I don't put my links up on YouTube anymore. I've been getting The algorithm has been messing with me there. So the only link I put up on my YouTube channel anymore is the ralphshomebasedbusiness.com link. You can go there. You can see any articles that I've written. You can check out my affiliate offers. I'm adding a new section on free marketing tools that I will be adding content to. Need to start adding some more video content and written content on that. And then I'll be talking about paid traffic sources as well. So yeah, check me out there, ralphshomebasedbusiness.com. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through that site too. And if you need help getting started in your own home-based business, I am more than happy to help you out. I can get you into the free lead system, get you into Power Lead System, Lead Lightning. There's another great program that I love called Wealthy Affiliate. You can get started in that absolutely free and remain as a free member, or go all the way into premium membership. But if you need help, reach out to me, and I will be willing to answer any questions you may have. I have been a home-based, work-at-home entrepreneur since 2011. So I've been practicing social distancing long before social distancing was cool. And, I'm willing to share my experience, strength, and hope with you. Just reach out, and I'll do what I can to help you get started. So, till later, this is Ralph signing out. Catch you in the next video update. Take care, and this is to your success. When one of us succeeds in home-based business, I believe we can all succeed. Just keep plugging away, don't give up, and just work the system. Until later, take care.